Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? In today's video, I'm going to make a beautiful view of snowfall. So in this painting, the main color you will be needed are blue color, white color, black color, brown color, and green color. So first you will apply black, blue and white color and have to blend it smoothly. Then the downwards view you will use white and blue color. For making accurate herd, I'm going to sketch the herd using a sketch pencil. You have to color the heart using brown color, then have to draw lines using a sketch pencil, and you have to apply black color in the lines. Then you have to draw many more lines. After this, you have to make the windows and the door. I'm using yellow color for making it. Gouache paint. You have to paint the outlines using black color. You have to paint the door using black color and then you have to apply yellow color on it. Now at the side I'm going to make a tree using brown color paint. And then you're about to use white color for the snow. Then at the side I'm going to draw grass. At one side of the herd you will draw a tree and the other side you have to make palm trees and have to spread snow on it. Also apply white color in the hut on its roof. Now at the very bottom of the canvas I'm going to make a river. For it you will use white color. Next time to make the moon you have to use white color for it. Then you have to make stars in the sky. It's completed. If you loved my today's video, do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz. Meet you in the next video.